are getting going here in about 3 minutes. Markets are slightly up. Watch the VIX. The VIX is below 14. Every time that it's gotten below 14, let's take a quick look at VIX. Let's see if we can get the chart up here, over here on the left. I mean, when it gets down in this 14 level, certainly since the fall, that has been a buying point. So watch for that. Good morning, Murtaza. Good morning, TJ. Really, as far as any sort of news that we have coming out, we have a Brexit vote, perhaps another Brexit vote tomorrow. All the other stuff came out this morning that was really a non-factor, maybe a little bit softer than expectations, but nothing big. Remember, we have our exit out there in Twilio. That should be a nice exit. I know that we saw some exits yesterday. We certainly should see. We should be filled this morning with Twilio being up about 1.25%, 1.3%. So that'll be a nice one. EA setting up to the upside. We're long the 105, 110 call spread for April. That should be. We're in that for 90. It's trading about 105, 110. No exit out in there yet, but just still watching it.